Hello everyone, this is Vedant, your narrator, and I welcome you to IPL Ki Kahani Week 2. As we discussed in our earlier video, Mumbai and Chennai are giving us two different flavors of cricket. Mumbai being famous for huge totals and good run chases, whereas Chennai is known for its slow tracks and low targets. Let's pick each game and talk about the happenings around it. So match number 10, RCB vs KKR. RCB are flying high on the back of ABD and Maxwell, who both scored in their 70s and giving a massive target of 200 plus. Mohammad Siraj, who has been exceptional in this IPL, and his company has restricted KKR batsmen to a small target, and they failed to convert into a big one. It was a good win for RCB. Coming on to match number 11, Delhi Capitals vs Punjab Kings. The Punjab openers were nailing the bowlers all over the park, where birthday boy Mayank scored a good quick 60s. But it was different plan for Delhi Capitals. Shikhar's supremacy ensured that would be an easy win for Delhi Capitals. They have secured the crucial 2 points and stand very well on the top quartile of the table. Match number 12, CSK vs Rajasthan Royals. Advantage of CSK's long batting lineup yielded the huge total of 188. The top 9 batsmen were handful and gave a massive score, whereas it was another RR's middle order collapse. And also Stokes is rolled out, so there is another option as Racy Van Dusen joins into the squad. Moeen Ali and Jadeja were exceptional in the middle overs, who changed the course of the game towards CSK. Match number 13, Delhi Capitals vs Mumbai Indians. Another batting collapse from Mumbai Indians. They are struggling on CSK pitches, which is also known as Chennai pitch. They have again posted a target of less than 150, but it was a comfortable victory for the informed Delhi Capitals. Again, Shikhar's 45 was very crucial in this chase. Match number 14, Punjab Kings vs Sunrisers Hyderabad. A crucial win for Sunrisers as the elite bowling of SRH came into play and they restricted a star-studded Punjab lineup to just 120. And it was Kane Williamson back into the squad with Bairstow and him giving a cruising victory with 9 wickets. The crucial 2 points which is important in the initial stages of the game. Match number 15, KKR vs CSK. 7 million views on this match. It was cruising all over the park. It was a 6 fest. It was mammoth batting from CSK where Faf du Plessis scored a blistering 95. Rituraj Gaikwad was exceptionally well, and the importance of small cameos in form of Moeen Ali's 25 in 12 and MS Dhoni's 17 in 8. It was an exciting match. Coming on to KKR's batting, Chahar ensured 4 early wickets which put CSK on top of the game, but DK, Russell and Cummins had different plans. They were hammering all over the park and they just snitched by 18 runs. Maybe if someone say also yes, the critics mostly says धोनी नहीं खेलता है यार, उसको निकालो, वो बूढ़ा हो गया है. But it was that difference of just 17 runs which helped CSK to win this match by 18 runs. Match number 16, another example of RCB's in-form batsmen. It was a decent target by Rajasthan Royals, but the form of Devdutt Padikkal and Virat Kohli ensured they chased 181 in just 16.3 overs with all 10 wickets in hand. Talking about Devdutt Padikkal, who was exceptionally well and scored his maiden IPL century for RCB. Also, it was Virat Kohli who became the first batsman to score 6,000 runs in IPL. The top scorer of the team, the top scorer of IPL. Take a bow, Cooking Kohli. Take a bow. Match number 17, another Mumbai Indians collapse. They are struggling in CSK pitch. I beg your pardon, in Chennai's pitch. So it was a low score, and Punjab Kings again chased it with 9 wickets in hand. Chris Gayle and KL Rahul ensured a proper 2 points, which is very crucial in early stages for them as well. They have been similar in form with SRH, and this victory will definitely give them confidence ahead. Coming on to match number 18, it's RR versus KKR. Men in purple versus men in pink, and it was men in pink who dominated the game. KKR was unable to set a huge total, it was just 133, and Sanju Samson anchored this beautiful victory for Rajasthan Royals. It was a much needed victory as both of them stand below the points table. Let's have a look at the points table now. Now coming on to the secret behind RCB, and it is consistency from Maxwell. The middle order looks awesome, and the dependence, the belief from RCB. A Sal Cup Namde is coming real this season. Virat Kohli has been ticking off every department with perfection. CSK has been phenomenal along with Delhi Capitals. Both of them look very promising as they have lost just one game. MI, Punjab, Rajasthan, everyone at the same place having won just 2 games. SRH and KKR needs to do some thinking as they have just one victory in the belt. From here onwards, we'll march towards Ahmedabad and Delhi, where pitches will be slightly different, but the challenge will be similar. Stay tuned on this channel and we'll bring a lot of excitement to you. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and check out the previous video where we did the week 1 preview. Thank you so much, and stay home, stay safe.